Copy that. Hey everyone, just want to do a quick video and let you guys know kind of what's been going on with the channel. For those of you that care, or for those of you that watch all of my videos, you know, the last few years I've been kind of busy with my family stuff, with my job, of course. I'm at my job right now. I'm making this video in the middle of a ground operation. We're turning this aircraft behind me over here. Yeah, just, you know, want to say thank you to all of you that have been following the channel, for some of you from the beginning, some of you for the last few years. You know, I just definitely want to say thank you. It was brought to my attention recently that I was at 999 videos, not something I pay attention to normally, but it was brought to my attention. So this is the 1000th video. I don't have anything really special for this, but you know, there will be a video after this, just a bit of what we do here on the ramp here for Cargologs at O'Hare. Yeah, just want to say thank you to all of you guys. I looked just now and I noticed I have 34,000 subscribers. That blows my mind. When I started this channel, I just started it as a way of keeping track of my videos from all my travels, videos of things I saw that interested me. You know, eventually I started rail fanning, putting up videos of trains, and then videos of airplanes, which has been kind of the way this channel, the direction this channel has taken in more recent times. So yeah, I just want to give you guys a thank you for that. Also a heads up, pretty soon a couple of coworkers of mine and I, we're going to be starting a new YouTube channel where we document stuff that we do on the ramp. Kind of going along the lines of what's going to follow the video after this, after I stop talking here, after I shut up. And then of course more GoPro head cam footage of what we do out here on the ramp on a daily basis. Yeah, that's where we're at. That's kind of what we're going to be doing, so stay tuned. I'll make a video about that and I'll link it, you know, somewhere around here. Copy that, thank you. And definitely let you guys know where we're at with that, and link you guys to that new channel. Hopefully you'll subscribe to that as well and enjoy our content. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy the video that's coming up after that. Thank you so much for 1,000 videos, and for all of you that are subscribed and like, share, and comment on my videos. I really appreciate it. Like I said, this is not at all what I had in mind when I started the channel, but turns out people like what I put on here, so I'll just go with that. All right, thank you guys. All right, so this is a transit flight. I'll explain more on that later. What we're going to do here is just load one pallet through the nose, just the nose position, the A1 position as it's called. As you can see, they're offloading pallets through the side cargo door, the SCD, which you can see kind of under the tail back there behind the left wing. And there goes that pallet. It's loaded in the plane. We can pull the loader away. Oh, there go the pilots. And we can close the nose once the loader is fully away from the aircraft. What we're doing here is loading the aircraft. Now we're done with the offload. I can't be everywhere at once, so I missed part of the offload when recording this video. Yeah, we're loading using transporters and these trailers to back up these larger pieces of freight. Everything has to go in order. Everything has been calculated by a loadmaster who has calculated the weight and balance of the aircraft. And basically, as soon as we're done loading the aircraft, we're ready for pushback. As soon as the fueler there under the number 1 and 2 engine is done fueling the aircraft. Instead of passengers, we deal with freight, which in my opinion is a lot better to deal with than passengers. So here we are finishing up our upload. I mean, you can see the loader go up and down, up and down. That'll happen multiple times throughout a flight. Here we're closing the door, lowering the loader, and pulling the loader away, just waiting on fuel to finish. So as you saw there in that time-lapse video, that's a brief, really quick look at what we do on a daily basis here at Cargo Operations. Some of you with a sharper eye might have noticed that when I was first talking, the plane I was talking in front of was a 747-8, and then the plane featured in the time-lapse video was a 747-400, and now I'm sitting in a Tug, one of our ground service equipment here at GSE. So yeah, the reason for that being is I'm pretty busy out here. I can't, like I said, I can't be everywhere at once. So, you know, in the future, I'm going to try to use more camera angles and splice more clips together so that we can capture the whole operation. Like I said, we got a couple coworkers of mine that are interested in putting together a YouTube channel as well as a TikTok account, kind of where we go into detail into all the different aspects of the operation, everything that we do on a daily basis here. Every day basically we do the same thing, but every day is different. Some flights are transit, some flights are full offloads and full uploads, some flights are just complete offloads and then the plane leaves empty. It all depends on what the customer wants done. So I look forward to uploading more videos. In the past, the reception has been pretty good, actually great in my opinion. You guys enjoy watching what we do, and the reason why we're talking about starting a new YouTube channel is because a couple of my coworkers have brought to my attention, like, hey, there's really a lack of this stuff on the internet. Like, my friends want to see what we do out here. They're talking about their friends. My friends also sometimes ask me, hey, what do you do at the airport? Like, we just see your pictures, and what do you actually do? So that's what we do. Yeah, so I'm gonna get back to work here. We have another plane coming in about 30 to 40 minutes, and then I can go home for the night and come back tomorrow and do it all over again. So take care. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope we can keep providing good content for you guys. All right, take care.